No. On today's video, we are going to be talking about 3 common phrases you will hear in Igbo when you haven't seen someone in a while. The first one is anyage. Anyage. This directly translates to your eyes. Anyage. The person could reply anya ni ibe ya, more like saying eyes and its partner. Anya ni ibe ya. The second one is ogibonya. Ogibonya, meaning is this you? Ogibonya. The person could reply omu, it's me. The third one is otela. Otela. You could hear some people stress it by saying otela o, simply mean it's been a while or it's been long. Otela. So we have these 3 common phrases that you would hear when you haven't seen someone in a while in Igbo. The first one, anyagi. The second one, ogibonya. The third one, otela. Are there other phrases in Igbo that you would hear or you could say to someone that you haven't seen in a while? Put the answer in the comment section. Don't forget that if you want to learn Igbo language with us, go to the Play Store or Apple Store and download the Obodo app, sign up, and learn Igbo with us today. Daalụ.